Very good evening to all of you. Today we are going to do microbiology MCQ challenge. Well, this subject is important as far as NEET PG is concerned. About 20 to 25 questions in NEET PG confirmly come from microbiology, and the knowledge of microbiology helps in solving many questions of PSM as well as medicine and pediatrics and infectious disease part. So let's begin with the first MCQ. 20 patients got acute watery diarrhea. On stool examination, following motility pattern is seen. Now you see the video. Culture media, motility is seen. See the video carefully. What type of motility it is? Well, it is a directing motility. Now they have given four agars. A DCA agar, B TCBS agar, C McConkey agar, D blood agar. Well, it is TCBS agar, that is thiosulfate, citrate, bile salt, sucrose agar. It is used for this condition for identifying Vibrio cholerae. Duodenal aspirate is used in diagnosis of A. Entamoeba histolytica, B. Giardia lamblia, C. Tinea solium, D. Leishmania. It is Giardia lamblia. Duodenal aspirate is used for Giardia lamblia. Izumi fever is caused by A. Pseudomonas aeruginosa, B. Burkholderia mali, C. Yersinia pseudotuberculosis, D. Pasteurella maltosida. It is Yersinia pseudotuberculosis. Unsegmented eggs are seen in which parasite? A. Trichuris trichura, B. Ankylostoma, C. Necator americans, C. D. Dracunculus. It is Trichuris trichura. Brazilian purpuric fever is caused by A. Bordetella pertussis, B. Haemophilus aegypticus, C. Haemophilus dupuy, D. Haemophilus parainfluenzae. It is Haemophilus aegypticus. Brazilian purpuric fever is an illness of children which is caused by a bacterium Haemophilus influenzae biogroup aegypticus, which is ultimately fatal due to sepsis. Brazilian purpuric fever was first recognized in Sao Paulo, state of Brazil in 1984. Haemophilus species are spore-forming, gram-negative coccobacilli. They lack motility and are aerobic or facultative anaerobic. They require preformed growth factors that are present in blood, specifically hemin factor 10, NAD or NADP factor 5. The bacterium grows best at 35 to 37 degree and an optimal pH of 7.6. Haemophilus species are obligate parasites and are a part of normal flora of human upper respiratory tract. So the correct answer here is Haemophilus aegypticus. Draughtsman colonies are seen with A. Anthrax, B. Anthrax, B. Pneumococci, C. pertussis, D. Yersinia. Well, the correct answer here is B. Pneumococci. Due to alpha hemolysis, colonies of pneumococci resemble colonies of Streptococcus viridans, but on further incubation, the colonies of pneumococci become flat with raised edges and central ambonation, so that concentric rings are seen on the surface when viewed from above. That is Draughtsman or Caroncoin appearance. So the correct answer here is B. Pneumococci. What is the preferred diagnostic method for human metapneumovirus infection? A. Gram staining, B. Culture on chocolate agar, C. Reverse transcriptase PCR, D. Vidal test. It is reverse transcriptase PCR. What is the natural reservoir of Marburg virus? A. Civet cat, B. Fruit bat, C. Rodent, D. Mosquito. It is fruit bat, Rosetus aegypticus. What is the natural reservoir? It is fruit bat. Now, hello Shubham. What is the average case fatality rate of Marburg hemorrhagic fever in documented outbreaks? A. 5 to 10%, B. 10 to 20%, C. 25 to 90%, D. 95 to 100%. Well, the case fatality rate is quite high for Marburg hemorrhagic fever. It is 25 to 90%. It has a high case fatality rate. So you should do the rapid containment and supportive therapy. So which population is most at risk for severe HMPV infection? A. Healthy young adult. B. Immunocompromised individual. C. Adolescent. D. Travelers. It is immunocompromised individual. Which of the following emerging virus is primarily transmitted via the fecal oral route? A. Norovirus. B. Zika virus. C. Hendra virus. D. Rabies virus. It is norovirus. Norovirus is an emerging virus that causes acute gastroenteritis and is primarily transmitted via the fecal oral route, often through contaminated food or water. Which of the following virus is not transmitted from animals to humans? A. Hendra virus. B. SARS-CoV-2. C. Hepatitis C virus. D. Nipah virus. C. Nipah virus, SARS-CoV-2, Hendra virus, they are all transmitted from animals to humans. Only hepatitis C virus is not transmitted from animals to humans. Hepatitis C virus is primarily transmitted through blood-to-blood contact and not considered as zoonotic virus. In contrast, Hendra, Nipah, SARS-CoV have zoonotic origins. Which of the following best describes genetic material of SARS-CoV-2? It is single-stranded negative. Granulomatous infectious septica is caused by A. Pseudomonas, B. Chlamydia trachomatis, Group D. Streptococcus, Listeria. It is Listeria. Stalactite growth in ghee broth is due to the following organism: A. Yersinia pestis, B. Treponema pallidum, C. Haemophilus influenzae, D. Carnibacterium diphtheria. It is Yersinia pestis. Now, Hebranos is caused by A. H. fresh bacillus, B. staph aureus, C. Pseudomonas, D. It is fish bacillus. Milk ring test is done to detect which organism present in milk: Bordetella, brucellosis, Bartonella, Salmonella. It is brucellosis. Superantigen causes A. Polyclonal activation of T cells, stimulation of B cells, enhancement of phagocytosis, activation of complement. Polyclonal activation of T cells. Respiratory syncytial virus causes all: coryza and kick, ARDS, bronchitis, common cold, except ARDS. Please click the link in the description to join the 3-day NEET breakthrough blueprint. Microorganism which cause pyogenic osteomyelitis is A. Streptococcus, B. staph aureus, C. Corynebacterium, D. Neisseria gonorrhoeae. It is staph aureus. In nutrient agar, concentration of agar is A 1%, 1.5%, C 3%, D 4%. It is 1.5%. Which cell causes rosette formation with sheep RBCs? T cells, tuberculosis, sarcoidosis. It is T cells. Which is found in Daiichi syndrome? A. Tetany, B. Eczema, C. Total absence of T cells, D. Absent B and T cells. It is tetany. Complement formed in liver is it is C3, C6, C9. Hereditary angioneurotic edema is due to A. Deficiency of C1 inhibitor, deficiency of NADPH oxidase, deficiency of MPO, deficiency of property. It is absence of C1 inhibitor. Opsonization takes place through A C3A B C3B C C5A D C5B D C3B. Staph aureus causes erythema, chancroid, acne vulgaris, bullous impetigo. It is bullous impetigo. Which group of streptococcus grow at 60 degree? It is group D streptococcus. Fish tank granuloma is caused by mammary. Bhutanese fever is caused by Rickettsia connori. Which of the following is called Praetina cardiovascularis? A. Corynebacterium diphtheria. B. Pseudotuberculosis. C. M. Tuberculosis. D. Mycoplasmatis corny. C. Pseudotuberculosis. Darting motility which occur in Vibrio cholerae also found in A. Shigella. B. Campylobacter jejuni. C. Pneumococcus bacillus anthrax. It is Campylobacter jejuni. XDR-TB is defined as resistance to chloroquinone plus INH plus rifampicin plus amino acid. Well, how is your preparation going on? If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me on the given number 948 365 2020. Well, wish you all the best.